Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover exception hierarchy and the difference between exception and error. At the top of the exception hierarchy, we have throwable class. Throwable class has two subclasses. One is exception and other is error. The difference between exception and error is that the source of exception is our code. Our code is responsible for exception and we could recover from it using exception handling, while the source of error is not our code but lack of system resources like hardware problem, virus attack, memory issue, etc. and we cannot recover from it using our code, but system administrator need to take necessary steps to recover from it. Example of exception: if knowingly or unknowingly we divide 10 by 0 in our code, then it will raise arithmetic exception at runtime and we could recover from it using exception handling, but we cannot recover from error using our code. Exception class subclasses are IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, runtime exception. Runtime exception subclasses are arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, index out of bound exception. Index out of bound exception subclasses are array index out of bound exception, string index out of bound exception. Error class subclasses are stack overflow error, virtual machine error, out of memory error. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.